ating Panginoon.
Sabi dito raw, kasi safe,
Baba mo yung kamay mo. Baba mo yung kamay mo.
gusto ko nang mamatay ngayong gabi dito na para sa Pilipinas. Kaya, saan man yung sniper ninyo, go ahead. I would be glad to die for the Filipino. Kaya, to the Filipino people, I kiss the flag of the Republic of the Philippines. You know, you cannot build a country by killing people. So we must be a peaceful nation. Kung ako ang mga presidente, I have to swear to the flag that I will protect the integrity of this republic and provide security, including tomorrow, all people na from harm. And when you believe in God, you do not harm your fellow men. Maraming salamat po. And may God bless our country.